So one of our journeys now, we're on Wookey Hole, so the van's down there, parked up in the car park, and we're just off to what is Wookey Hole?
Well, Wookey Hole is a cave-aged cheddar.
Right, so like we were saying, up to see the cheese just laying on the floor, so just the whole thing's about just...
You're terrible.
No, you told me it's where they put the
Yeah,
cheese.
and all the caves as well. You've got
What's in the
caves
caves?
and tunnels.
What's in the case?
Them words that I can't say,
Stag.
them
Yeah,
ones
yeah.
and them other ones. And
Yeah.
the
Stag-type.
structure.
Alright. So, how much are tickets? How much are they? Come on. You're supposed to have all this information already done.
Right, tickets. Oh. Tickets are blue.
They're not. Come on, people want to know.
£16.50 an hour.
£16.50 each to go and look at some cheese.
I'm going to slap you in a minute.
And she's allergic to cheese.
But it's cheese that I sell.
She sells cheese. Yes.
Wookey Hole, cave-aged cheddar. One of the most popular cheeses that I sell.
Where do you work?
Polkhill Farm.
And that is where?
Seven Oaks, Kent.
Kent. Yeah. She works there. So we stayed at a hotel last night. Lucky us. Nice and quiet.
Comfy bed.
Really nice. It's the Wookey Hole Hotel. Had a meal. First place that Val could actually just get chicken.
Yeah.
Just chicken, that's all she wanted. Can I have some chicken without nothing on it, please? Oh my god, look.
It's a good book.
Look. Chaz, what are you doing down here? Huh? Sounds like you burping, Chaz. Down there. It's a griller. Some dinosaurs. Prehistoric stuff. Yeah, didn't know all this was here. What's this got to do with cheese?
Yeah, it's for kids as well.
Yeah. Quite cool.
Inside the cave.
You see what they did?
Stream. Look way underneath. Under the bridge. Very dark in here. I have to keep ducking. We only got little fairy lights to go to. A little platform. And then more water. Okay. These are all pretty things that are all around.
Yeah. Some nice statues around, aren't there?
Gnomes, or pixies, or piskies, or whatever you want to call them.
The old weather. There's that leprechaun.
Yeah, I just got one. You want one?
Yeah. Did you get the pixie? Is it a pixie?
Where? Where's it?
Down there, there's a fairy. And there's a little girl there with the plant.
There's the fairy. There's the pixie.
Fairy? Yeah, it's a fairy.
It is now. It's a fairy. That's a fairy. Man and fire. Cave Age men. Let's get a close up of his face and his tongue. Do 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 do.
You zoom in on you.
Yeah.
We'll give you a shot of his zoomed in Tyrannosaurus.
Beautiful and clear. Runs all the way down.
It's not as cool as when they banged the money into the logs, is it?
No, that is rather nice. Isn't
It's
it?
rather unusual.
King Kong! And all the dinosaurs.
That's quite cool. And, animated guy. I was standing there thinking, is it going to move? I was looking at that one and that one moved. Oh! Velociraptor. Apatosaurus.
All the divers.
We've got some old machines. Huh? Some old machines. Some what the butler saw type. They are very risque as well. A lot of them. 20p for these ones. Got a machine to get your money. Yeah. That one is a bit rude. That one didn't work. Them ones work, them ones work. All them work, don't they? Got some really old 20 pennies. Some old postcards. machines. Tells me my weight and my fortune. Shall we see what it says? £11 stone.
What does it say?
11 stone.
How much?
11.
What is it you have to put in that, an old coin?
Yeah. 11. So what's my height? 5'6". I should be 10 stone 5. I'm 11 stone. I'm 10. Well, 10 stone something.
I'm going to say.
Just under 11.
That stuck to me.
Your weight and fortune. Didn't tell me my fortune then. So I don't know what that was
One of
all.
these old ones.
Yeah, one of the old pennies. More little, the old type. I used to like these.
Oh, I don't think much of this.
What?
Is that not over 10 stone 7? Right.
Not very good at this, am I? Yeah.
Don't like you at all. No. Well, look like that down there, look.
So do you actually win more of these coins? So exchange machine, you can get like your pennies out of there.